Oh, it's a wee lambs.
Aye, it's that time of year, isn't it? Can't run over your wiggies. What we do though.
That way.
That's right, it goes away over there, doesn't it? Up there.
Yep. Hello, young lambs. That one's not long born, it's still got the
Umbilical cord.
part of the umbilical cord.
That one's having a fish. Its sack's filling up. Having a pee, sorry, better.
That's us. Start of the walk, George. 10 years on.
Because I'm smiling.
10 years on.
I think the time we got along there the last time I was knackered. I've only got one rucksack this time, so there's a bonus. Aye, 10 years, it doesn't seem like I keep thinking it was only like 5.
Yeah, 2003.
Does that not make it 9 years then?
Well,
Fuck, I were a year earlier, could have been in Spain. That'll be a good holiday.
start of the climb.
Yep.
Cuckoo.
Aye, definitely there.
You look as if you've come far, don't you? Now?
I've came to the sea.
It's 2 miles. Believe it or not.
Is it the one right in, isn't it?
I was just about to ask you that. Time do we start?
Going 11:24.
And it's,
11:40.
and it's now what?
1.
So
I would
an
say about 11:45 would be
No.
a fair estimation,
hour and a half.
because here's my call log.
That's an hour and a half.
Aye.
And we're well to the top of the main bit, not this bit, the top of the next bit is 4 miles. So we're not doing too bad.
So this bit to there. It goes down and up now, but doesn't it?
Aye, it goes flat.
I tried to print off that map. That's not called a topographical map, but isn't it? Not?
It's a picture. What I sent you is just a picture of my screen showing you the profile of the walk.
Aye.
Well, the highest part in this first bit
It's a graph.
is 4 miles, and we are about, once we get to the top of this bit, we're about 3.5, I think. No, this bit here. No, this wee first bit.
Right.
After we get to the top at 4 miles, it's another 3. Fish rising, George?
And we should be even faster the next time, because our bags are now lighter.
3 biscuits and a packet of raisins
And a bottle of juice.
and some juice.
Ooh, thick city here. Look.
You sure it's a tick?
Aye.
Paranoid George with his
Right.
ticks.
That was a tick.
And here we have George practicing putting up his rod.
First time in
First
5 years.
time in 5 years. I'm glad we're not going up there.
Well, no tickets for that. But you know, that's probably like an ice axe for me. Maybe no crampons, but definitely ice axe.
I don't think I've got enough clothes for going up there.
If you were going up and down, you probably would.
I've got the tent, the sleeping bag I suppose. That's the other path. I'm sure that's it winding up through there. Thought we'd have seen running both of them. A few bits of it here that we saw it the last time.
We did captain, so we named after that.
There it is.
Aye, yep.
Just going right behind that wee
No.
mound over there.
There.
Oh, the Victorians knew how to build their paths up to their hunting lodges, didn't they?
That's awesome.
It's well maintained too. There's a bit more water in that than there was the last time we were here.
Aye.
I think it's a wee bit windy here.
Aye, it's getting windier.
That'll be that cold air running down off of the snow.
I'm not feeling this same cold as I did at the car. I'm more a sort of numb cold.
Ah. You think there's MD at home? Oh aye. Dodgy. Mind that nail in the end. Knock knock. Oh, hello. Oh. It's empty. Yeah. Somebody said a fire in here.
And the fire pit.
Oh, and the fireplace, aye. And a fire in that one as well. I bet that's full of deer. All that flat stretch beside the river. At times. That's quite a haul up that bit. We're nearly up in the snow line here as well. Not far to a flat bit, hopefully. Then it'll be a bit easier. 27. Sun's shining. It's raining. We'll fish this loch on the way back up like we did the last time.
Aye.
Because it was good. You haven't got heavy rucksacks on your back either. I like that rainbow though.